Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of Get Plugins. In my last video, I showed you how to add radio variation swatches from scratch. But today I am going to show you how to add radio variation swatches from existing global attribute. If you still didn't check my last video, then please do check my video. The video link will be given in the description box. So before starting my video, I hope you have already created your variable product like me. The variations of my products are currently in drop-downs. I will convert these drop-downs into radio swatches. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To turn your variable product attributes variations into radio swatches, you'll need to install the plugin Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. To download the free version of the plugin, navigate to Add New from Plugins. Now search for Variation Swatches for WooCommerce by Imran Ahmed and install the plugin. The plugin has more than 200,000 active installations and plenty of 5-star ratings. Once the installation is completed, then activate the plugin. Now the free version of your plugin is activated. So now you can turn your product variations into radio swatches very easily. To do so, navigate to Attributes from Products. So here is the list of my all globally created attributes. Now before doing anything, let's see the product which I want to modify. So this is the product. This product has a made in attribute with UK and USA variations. Previously, the variations of made in attribute were in drop-down mode. But after activating the plugin Variation Swatches for WooCommerce, you can notice drop-downs are converted into buttons. So now I will convert these buttons into radio swatches. Now head back to the global attribute list page. As my product is connected with the made in attribute, so I am going to make some changes to this made in attribute. You'll notice type is not selected for made in attribute. So to select the type, click on Edit. As I want to show the variations in radio swatches, so I need to select radio type for this attribute. But you can see that currently radio swatch is not available, because radio swatch is only available in the premium version of Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. In the free version of the plugin, you'll only get color, image and button swatches. So to get the radio swatch, you need to install the premium version of Variation Swatches for WooCommerce plugin. To purchase the premium version of the plugin, go to the link getplugins.com. Click on Plugins and click on Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. Now purchase the plugin. Once you purchase the plugin, then download the zip file of the plugin. Now head to the product backend and navigate to Add New from Plugins. Click on Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded zip file of the plugin. Now install the plugin. Once the installation is completed, then activate the plugin. So now premium version of Variation Swatches for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated. Again go back to the Edit Attribute page. Let's refresh this page. So you can see radio swatch is now available. So select radio type and update the attribute. Now go to the product page to see the result. So you can see all the variations of made in attribute are perfectly showing the radio swatches. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of the latest videos. If you have any query, please write it down in the comment section. Thank you.